Hello and welcome to another video brought to you by Céilí Nua. My name is Melanie and today I will be leading you through the sevens. So to start out with, please have your left foot behind, right foot forward. For one count, your right foot is going to kick toward the left. So imagine your left hand would be down by your side and you would want to kick your left hand with your right foot. That is 1. 2 is the foot landing to the side. 3, left foot goes behind. 4, right foot goes out. 5, left foot goes behind. 6, right foot goes out. 7, left goes behind. Let's do that one more time. So here we have the left in back, we have the right in front. So have the right come up to kick the left hand. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now for the next bit, you're going to do a little switch with a rock. 1, 2, 3, and again, 1, 2, 3. Let's start from the top. Over here, right is in front, right comes out for kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Now, currently your left is behind your right. Your right is in front. You want to take your right to the back and put it to the left of your left foot. 1, 2, left comes out. 3, right goes behind. 4, left comes out. 5, right goes behind. 6, left comes out. 7, right goes behind. So again, we're going to do the little switch with the rocking back and forth. Switch 2, 3, and switch 2, 3. From the very top, let's start from the very top. Left is behind, right is in front. Have your right come out, kick your left hand for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Now right goes behind your left for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So let's start here. We are going to just go to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and back 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back, back. If you are curious as to what the 7 looks like from the front, this is what it looks like. Those are your 7s. Thank you for joining Céilí Nua. Have a great day.